Zainab, do you ever dream about leaving this village? Every day. I want a better life, but I am afraid of the city. I am afraid too, but if we stay here, nothing will change.
Hi guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So inshallah on the video, like maybe on now that quick creating your AI video or your animated AI video for free. So for now the idea, like maybe on tambayi chat GPT about a story idea. So but I'm using the voice. Give me a story idea. Make it about like maybe call about two friends. Please. Okay? Like make it give me story idea about two friends. So when you chat GPT, like maybe they want to generate like they want to generate story idea so around by few the, the promise the promise beneath the mango tree. One story in the umba. And she give me 10 story idea. Ungani like wancan ban san wancan story. So and the village election, the missing bride, the magic, the journey of the city. Like you ram cheme number 10 in number 10. Make it about two friends. The journey of the seeds, story idea, Amina and Zainab. So I see one story in Yam. So in Angwa, two best friends Amina and Zainab have lived together in the small village since childhood. They dream of escaping poverty and building a better future. So one story in Yam, but I'm going to turn it into a dialogue scene. Turn the story into a dialogue scene. So one I'm going to turn it into a dialogue. So guys, dan kuwa duba like daga nan like maybe ya want to turn issue into a dialogue scene. Ngani like nan ya want to turn issue into a dialogue scene. And then daga nan na mai ta ce mai ya mana generating in character prompts din. Ngani ya mana generating in character prompts din. So ya mana generating in character prompt plus the scene like nan ya mana creating Amina and then ya mana creating Zainab. So wannan shine prompts din and then daga kasa na ce mai generate one image ngani like sai man generating shi. So saboda ina so na using the portrait size sai na ce mai use it in portrait size like kun gani like daga nan sai you wanna using in portrait size. Daga nan sai na je na copy in wannan da kan scene 1 din nan like maybe sai na copy in shi da kan scene 1 din nan like maybe zuwa nan and then na copy and then na paste in shi daga nan like maybe na sa mai like maybe na covering in shi na sa mai both using the Nigerian English not speeding like maybe na ƙara covering in shi and then na sa slowly na sa mai slowly like sai kuma still na ƙara copying in shi like maybe na ƙara copying in shi na koma into this na koma website din nan like maybe na koma website din nan idan kuwa duba like maybe na selecting in image ina and then na yi wannan na selecting in image ina and then ya fara mun generating in. So idan kuwa duba daga nan like maybe yana mun generating in video in ne. So guys, kafin ya gama generating in video in like maybe don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and then turn off notification so that I join in community in wanda mu dinga yin live one on one. So kun gani sai da ma ya fara generating audio in sai da ya fara generating audio in like sai ya fara generating audio. Still dai bai gama generating in video ba, bara mu ba shi few minutes. Plus sign in nan kai selecting in photo, maybe kai selecting in photo ɗinka sai kai pasting in link ɗin nan, sai kai clicking in generate, sai kai clicking in generate. After kai clicking in generate zai ma generating in video inda kake so. Kai suka bar shi a nan, maybe nan ma kai selecting abubuwan da kake so and then kai using da shi. So ni already na riga da na yi, like maybe zan koma inda videos ɗin da nake creating. So bara mu ba shi few minutes.
Zainab, do you ever dream about leaving this village? Every day. I want a better life, but I am afraid of the city. I am afraid too. But if we stay here, nothing will change.
So idan kuka duba like ya mana generating audio like
Zainab,
nicely.
do you ever dream about leaving this village? Every day. I want a better life, but I am afraid of the city. I am afraid too. But if we stay here, nothing will change.
Like ya mana generating audio in nan like very good. Video in ne muke so ya buɗe faka-faka. So guys, ina tunanin like ya mana creating in short so bara mu gani, bara mu play in shi mu ji. The scene video is generated now. Let me assemble the final video with the dialogue audio track. So bara mu play in wannan mu ji.
Zainab, do you ever dream about leaving this village? Every day. I want a better life, but I am afraid of the city. I am afraid too, but if we stay here, nothing will change.
Guys, gaskiya wannan like na tunanin yayi kokari. Wannan video ba
Zainab,
like for
do you
free
ever
AI.
dream about leaving this village? Every day. I want a better life, but I am afraid of the city. I am afraid too, but if we stay here, nothing will change.
Guys, do you ever think free AI tools like maybe they might generating video like this? Gaskiya I'm very appreciate like na ji daɗin wannan website ɗin. So wannan shine scene 1, like maybe idan kana so ka ƙara yi sai ka je ka ce mai ma generating in scene 2 image. Ka gane? Maybe ka je ChatGPT ya ma generating in scene 2 image sai kai copying in shi daga inda ka tsaya sai kai pasting in shi. Kai pasting in shi ka sa ya ma using Nigerian English. Like yanda muka yi dai exactly yanda na nuna muku. Like maybe ka sa ya ma generating in Nigerian English. So daga nan maybe zaka iya playing in shi and then
Zainab, do you ever dream of
in download.
Zainab, do you ever dream about leaving this village? Every day. I want a better life, but
Like
Zainab, do you ever dream about leaving this village?
like video.
Zainab, do you ever dream about
Kun
leaving
lura
this
ma wai
village?
video
Every
video
day.
mana?
I want a better life, but I am afraid of the city. I am afraid too, but if we stay here, nothing will change.
Like kawai kai clicking in download maybe daga nan. Sai kai saving in video ɗinka.
Zainab, do you ever dream about leaving this village?
Maybe kai clicking in download kai saving in video ɗinka. So abin da aka ƙara yi kenan like maybe ka ƙara yin irin wannan like maybe ka je kai post ka ƙara yin irin wannan like wannan shine first video wannan.
Zainab, do you ever dream about
Wannan shine second.
Zainab, do you ever dream
Thanks.
about leaving this village? Every day. I want a better life, but
Maybe kai copying in shi kawai. So guys, ina tunanin by now maybe ka iya creating AI video for free. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and then kai turn off notification.